Welcome to the HOVERAir X1 Pro and PROMAX tutorial. Here, you'll see the X1 Pro and PROMAX along with the accessories designed for various scenarios. First, let's get to know your device. Open the box to find the flying camera, first flight instruction card, data cable, cloth bag, and user manual. Follow the instructions on the first flight card. First, connect the charging cable to the USB-C port to activate and charge the battery when using it for the first time. To replace the battery, hold it on both sides and gently pull it out. Scan the QR code. Download and install the Hover X1 app. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the green light turns on. Open the Hover page in the X1 app. Then tap the green Activate button to complete the activation. The digital screen will display the current flight mode and parameters. Short press the left or right button to change the flight mode. Long press the left or right button to toggle through parameters, such as distance or height. You can also configure more settings through the app and customize the flight modes displayed on the digital screen. Power on the device, unfold it, and select hover mode. Short press the power button or use the voice command. Hover. Take off. To change and defilters, gently push up the lens frame. Make sure to do this while the device is turned off. Landing the X1 Pro and PROMAX is simple. Place your hand about 20 centimeters below the device, and it will automatically land. Place the device face up in an open, unobstructed area and wait for about 30 seconds. Once the Omni-Terrain icon lights up, Hover is ready to fly over water, cliffs, and in low-light environments. If the icon is not on, avoid flying in these complex conditions, but you can still fly